Welcome to my cooking channel, where today we'll be mastering the art of making chicken kabsa, a traditional and flavorful dish that's beloved in many parts of Middle East. Let's dive into the spices and aromas that make this dish a true feast for senses. Begin by heating the large pot over medium heat, and add the butter and cooking oil. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sauteing until translucent. Add the chicken pieces to the pot, browning them on all sides. This not only adds flavor, but also seals in the juices. Add the spices, cinnamon stick, peppercorn, bayleaves, cloves, and star anise. Stir to mix all the spices. You can see the complete list of the ingredients and correct measurement in the description box below. Let's add the spices that gives flavorful taste by adding kabsa masala, curry powder, paprika powder, pepper powder, and salt. Stir to mix all spices and seasoning to the chicken. Add the chopped tomatoes, and let them cook down into a fragrant sauce. Add tomato paste. It gives bursts of meaty, savory flavor. Now, let's add 4 cups of hot water. Once boiling, reduce the heat. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes to cook the chicken. Let's add the red bell pepper and lemon juice. It gives burst and fragrance to our dish. Let's cover and continue simmer for 5 minutes. It's time to remove the chicken to the pot. Now, add 2 cups of hot water to the pot. Once it's boiling, add the washed 500 grams basmati rice. Stir, making sure it's fully immersed the mixture. Let's cover. Reduce the heat and simmer around 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and liquid is absorbed. In the other side, heat the pan with cooking oil and sear the chicken until become golden brown. And there you have it, a perfect kabsa, fluffy rice, and a harmony of flavors that'll transport you straight to the heart of Middle East. Serve it hot. Garnish with raisins or lemon wedge for extra zest. Chicken kabsa is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of culture, tradition, and simple joy of cooking. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for delicious adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.